Ron Miller of Pursuit Physical Therapy, and I'm going to show you my favorite exercise for runners, okay? So running is actually a unilateral sport. That means that you're just going from one leg to the other leg, okay, back and forth. It makes it a very unique sport. So if you want to be or do a strength training exercise for runners, why don't we strengthen in a single leg stance, okay? Because you're practicing what you preach and what you have to do. So this is my favorite exercise for multiple different reasons, okay? So what you want to do is find a step, and I like to put my hands here just so I can focus on balance. And what you're going to do is just tap your heel off of the floor, okay? So one, this is working on balance, okay? If you find yourself wobbling, okay, that's a huge strength and balance problem that it's going to help fix, because running, you're going from one side to one side, okay? So it's going to work on some hip and leg strength that way. If you feel that your hip's giving out or your knee is going in, that's a hip strength problem. That's one of the most common problems in runners is lateral hip strength, because runners just train this way. They never train lateral. So having a hip strength problem, or if you feel your knee is going in and you don't have enough strength to even do the exercise, that means you have to do some more basic hip lateral strengthening exercises, okay? So a lot of times people will try to do it and they'll go down and they'll struggle, or they'll be shaking, or their knee will turn in, okay? If that's happening, you want to stop this exercise and go back to some basics. A third thing is just working on overall core stability with running, okay? You can keep your abs tight. You can make some progressions and turn it into a running form. You can work on some even stronger lateral hip strength, go down, hold it, go out and up. So there's some advanced progressions that you can use as a runner that'll help guide you into running. That's why I love this exercise so much. So you can do it in so many different levels, but the main things is just to learn what it is and try to get the balance down, try to get the leg and the hip strength down so you can do it, and then turn it into a core exercise and do it into running specific exercises. So this is just called a single leg heel strike exercise, and you can make running progressions to it to help correlate to better running and use it for strength training for runners. Enjoy.